Tycoon, I know, man. I don't know if you can do that though. I can't even say I'm giving, holding hope for you, but Kyo, are you waiting? At least you're normal soon. I probably don't have any more on him.
Revolve on. Zombie. Right. Revolve on.
Okay.